I hope you've all had time to finish your workbook page, page 127, and see how many animals went with Rooster to see the world. All right, I've got my little note here that we had decided that there was 1 rooster, 2 cats, 3 frogs, 4 turtles, and 5 fish. Now, since you're not here with me, I can't ask you to show how you solved the problem or what you did to solve it. So I'm going to show you some ways that would work to solve this problem, some things that you might have written on your paper. Okay? Some of you may have drawn dots to represent each animal, like 1 rooster, 2 cats, 3 frogs, 4 turtles, and 5 fish. Okay, some of you may have done that. And then you know how to add. You would count all those dots and see what number you get. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 animals went off to see the world. Hey, you may not have done it that way. There were some other ways to do it. But each time you should get 15. So I'm going to erase my pictures here because you might have chosen to do it another way. Okay? You could have drawn pictures of all the animals, like I just did the dots because I didn't want to draw the pictures of all those animals because I'm not very good at drawing. So I did dots to represent each one. You could have drawn it. You could have even done it like this. You could have gone 1 rooster plus 2 cats plus 3 frogs plus 4 turtles plus 5. You could have done it like this and added along with your fingers to get the answer. 1, you could have counted on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 5 more is 15. Okay? You could have done it that way, right? What if you had thought to combine those numbers a little different way? What if I had the numbers written like this? And I looked at these numbers and I thought, you know what? I know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. And look what I have left, another 5, which would equal 15. There are so many different ways to solve this problem. But the bottom line is you should have gotten 15 animals went to see the world. And I hope that you wrote an equation. And your equation would look like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. Like this. My one looks skinny because I did it on the edge there. Okay? That's what your equation would look like. All right? Great job. Now, the other thing you're going to do today in your book is you're going to do pages 128, 129, and 130. And I'm going to show you these really quick because these are like super easy. Mr. M's class is doing quick images. Show how many dots and show how you know. This is just what we did with Rooster over here. They circled, instead of doing 2, 2, 4, they went, oh yeah, that's 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. And they wrote the total over here. So that's what you're going to do. You might look at these and go, oh yeah, 2 and 3 is 5. That's 5, 6, 7. And write your number 7 here. You might just be counting those by ones, and that's okay too. But try to combine those numbers like they did in the example. And then finally, you're going to be doing this story problem about Jacob finding some socks. Jacob was cleaning his room. He found 6 socks under his bed, 3 socks in his closet, and 4 socks on the floor. How many socks did he find in all? Solve the problem, show your work. 3 add-ins, 3 numbers, 6, 3, and 4. See if you can use that trick of combining numbers to get your equation, okay? And see how many socks that Jacob found. All right, hope you have a great rest of the day.